Check. Check. Check, check. Check, 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 check. Check one. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay. Sounds good. Just sitting inside the box of a truck. I decided this is the way I do my bike check. I guess we'll get right down to the nitty-gritty. I think that's how they say it. I say that all the time. Anyways, beautiful inspired fork right here. Inspired Fourplay frame. 2011, of course. Inspired bars. They're just great for nice, like really slick tricks.
On the dance floor.
As you can tell, I've done a few things. I've added some bar ends so I can do my my slides and whatnot. What keeps me rolling here is I got the Hope Pro 3 front hub. I made my own conversion. It's a solid axle with 15 mil nuts on either end. I got a Hope Pro 2 Trials hub in the back. Kenda K-Rad tires. They're great for doing sliders. I don't know, wonderful hoppity hip hop tricks, if you know what I'm saying. I've done a couple of those in my time, I guess. Yeah, I'd say so. Hope stem, 90 mil, I should say, with 5-degree rise. I don't know. I don't pay attention to that stuff. I just ride the stuff. I like riding the Odyssey Bluebird chain. It's nice and strong, made from tool steel. Never let me down, not once yet, anyways. Inspired rims, nice solid dual wall rims. I haven't bent them yet. I've been riding them for a couple of years now. So that's what I would go with if I were you. Inspired plastic pivotal seat. It's a great addition to the bike. It's nice and light. It's really tiny. It doesn't get in the way. My gear ratio, I run 16 to 14. So it's a really micro drivetrain, I would say. Inspired pedals. Once again, it's great for slides, and also I've started doing a few more grind tricks. As you can see right here. It's really. If you're looking for a street bike that you're just not really into the whole BMX thing, you kind of want to diversify, really just go with the Inspired Fourplay. I ride mostly street, and it's just treated me very, very well. My name is Sean Watson, and that was my bike check. Took a McDonald's tray. I don't know. McDonald's is so gross. Paparazzi. The paps are after me. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I don't know how to cope anymore. All this fame and fortune. Freaking women everywhere.